Because she's so cool.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sing.
Your mom doesn't care?
Not like that, somewhat. Sing. Please sing. I allow you to sing.
Oh, the best song in the world. Oh, wait, no.
Why? Do you smile? It's not smiling. Ew, no one wants to see that. Don't look at me like that.
Why are you trying to... Oh, that wasn't.
That doesn't hurt. Ow, Anthony!
You slapped me in the face all day.
Slap me
All
in the
day.
face.
You kicked me in the face, slapped me in the face, pulled my hair.
I don't slap you in the face. I just pull your hair. Tina's recording. So not necessary. The pillow matches your hair. So unnecessary. Instead of being a cop, you're gonna be a singer? Hmm?
No, I'll be a cop.
I
I'm
understand.
gonna be the policia.
You're not gonna be a cop. Not if you sing. You can't do
I'm gonna
both.
be a cop. I'm gonna be the best cop ever.
I understand.
I'm gonna put Mexicans in jail.
What's mean?
Just
Mom. Mom. What are you doing?
I wanna talk to her, but I'm scared to.
Why?
Scared.
Why are you scared?
Watch her think I'm weird.
Why
How
was
was your day? What the hell? What are you asking me?
What the heck? Well, actually, I understand. I'd be scared to talk to your mom.
What is this?
What do you mean? It's my fault. Who texted me?
I don't know. This best friend, baby daddy.
Let's see.
See, look at that. Talk about me. Look, you got a guy who's baby daddy. Get out of here, son.
That's not baby daddy, dude. It's not like that.
I know.
Yeah.
You don't need no one now.
Oh, snap. That was so unnecessary. Nah. Ew, look it. He just said nah.
That's not even how you say nah. It's N-A.
No, it's N-A-W.
It's N-A.
It's N-A-W, so you're right.
N-A.
It's N-A-W.
I don't know. What's it?
Can you sing?
Me? Only on the weekend.
It is the weekend. It's Friday.
It's not the weekend.
What's the weekend?
It's the weekdays.
No, so will you sing tomorrow?
Heck yeah. At my casa.
Mi casa?
At my casa.
Mi casa, tu casa.
No, it's not. You sound so white trying to speak Spanish. Say hola. Watch. You're gonna
Hola.
say it.
Hola.
Say hola. Say hola.
Hola.
Are you serious?
Are you trying to talk about me?
Say como
Say
estás.
boobs.
You know what?
Say boobs.
Too long.
Say boobs.
So move on.
Anthony.
Why? You make fun of me for saying boobs. Well, I just made fun of you. Never mind.
Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Can you make fun of me? Hey.
What?
You said you can make fun of me.
No, I'm saying because I just made fun of you for, whatchamacallit.
Alright, I understand.
For
I
not being able to
understand.
speak Spanish
I
and sounding like a white girl.
understand.
You just change your head. I can sing, you're just a hater.
Definitely. I thought you only sing on the weekends.
Oh. Go away.
Kaya! So what song you singing tomorrow?
Whatever's on my iPod. We're gonna be chilling in the chill spot then.
Okay, but I want to understand what song you're gonna sing. It's supposed to be a concert, so tell me. And you have to use the Guitar Hero microphone.
Yeah, I'm gonna get naked and run around my whole house.
No.
Let's use the definition of fun.
Where's my phone? Shaky, say bye. Say bye in Spanish.
Hey, stop trying to bite me.
Say bye in Spanish. Hasta la vista, baby. Say it.
In Spanish I just say bye.
Say it. Hasta la vista.
What are you trying to bite me?
Say hasta la vista.
I don't say
I'll
that.
put this on my face if you don't say it.
I don't care, put it on my face.
Say hasta la vista.
That's what she said.
Okay, I'm putting it on my face. Baby. Baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Alright, I'm hanging. Hasta la vista.